Hello everyone, this is Tuhin. Today we learn about the design of contact form using ChatGPT. There are several steps. First step is installing plugins like Contact Form 7, Contact Form 7 database, and redirection for Contact Form 7. Step 2 will be we will generate code or get a code from the ChatGPT for a specific field. Step 3 is get the CSS code for our contract form as we need or and customize it. Then step 4, we will organize the code in our WordPress. So let's start. And first we see a demo contract form. Here is the contact us form. Here we can see the several fields like name, mobile number, email is. Here is name is label and enter your name is called placeholder. We will add this field in our contact form with name and label. So here this field we need to add in our contact form. So we will go to the step 1 in install some plugins. So go to the add plugin section from our dashboard and write the code and write contact form 7 here search and install contact form 7 plugin. We already active this one and contact form database, contact form 7 database add-on, this one, and redirection for contact form 7 active this one. So after activation, this we will completely done our step 1 and we will go to the next step that we will go to the ChatGPT and generate this generate a contact form for this field and come there and I already write the code, write the command there for this field. For this field, I need a contact form with label and placeholder. So send the command and ChatGPT will give us the code. So our contract form code is ready and we can copy this one like this and click in there, and after that we will go to the contract form and add new. I already create a new one and the name is new contract form and we will paste the code here that we copy from the contract form. So it's ChatGPT. And save this one. After saving the contract form, we need to see this one. Here is the shortcode. We copy the shortcode and we will create a new page that is called new contract form or anything that you need, that you want or anything. And we will click the plus icon and we will write the shortcode and we will paste the shortcode here and we will update the page or publish the page. After updating, we can see our page there. There is the contact form new and this because this one like that because we here we can see our contact form new. By default the contract form look like this, but we need to design this one like our contract form field will have border color and the border radius. Also you can design as your requirement or as you wish. So we will go to the ChatGPT and tell him I need or give me a command, give me a CSS code for the above form. Right? So we just command this one and hopefully all the CSS code he will give me. So here is all the CSS code we had from the ChatGPT. So we'll go to the page. Here is the new page, and we'll click on the customize section. And after loading the customization section, we will go to the add CSS and paste all the CSS that we copy from our ChatGPT. So let's copy paste the code here, and we can see that already the form is designed with the 500 pixel width. We need here 600, and the date of birth has color and border radius, but all the field is not get this one. That's why we will go to here. There is a border, and we'll say here that is important, and we need here 10 pixel or no, we need 20 pixel and important. Say it important. And we can see that over all the fields take the color as we want, and we can publish this one. And where is our code? And we can go to the we can go manually new contact form. We can go to our new contact form. Okay, new form. Okay, we get our contact form, and we can see that when we reload this one, we can see that our CSS code is already here and applied in there. Our border radius, there is our border radius and border color. Okay, we will go to the checklist, and we can see that our we already done the step 2 and step 3, customize the CSS code, and now it's we go to the step 4, organize the CSS code, and for this one we will copy this or cut this code using Ctrl X, and we can see the contract form will be go as the default or as it we see in the before. For this, we will paste our code in this WPcode plugin, and go to the add custom, and we can add the custom snippet here. Contact new contact from CSS code. Okay, and specify the code type CSS snippet and paste the code here, and make sure it is active, turn it active, and save the snippet. After this one, we will reload this one again. So here it is, our contact form is ready, and we complete all the steps, and that's all from the video, and hopefully we'll see in the next video. Bye.